So this was such a beautiful setting. I couldn't turn down this quick tip. So you just barbecued last night, and you want to barbecue again this morning. Coffee in the morning. By the way, look here, Lake Cleveland in Albion, Idaho, and oh man, this is such a gorgeous place. Anyway, so you've got grime on here, and you want to take it off. You didn't bring a wire brush, and now you want to be a Boy Scout. Okay, so this is the way to do it. Just a piece of aluminum foil, brush it up, and watch what happens. You'll actually shine it up. It'll get everything off the edges. You can even flip the other side over and clean that side too. It's really pretty amazing. So you can see it. That would pass Mama clean as a whistle. And you can do it again tomorrow on the other side.